Streets. Joining us now is Melissa Bojeda with JSO, and we do have one fugitive. We got off the streets. Oops, didn't mean to drop that there. But here's the bottom line. He celebrated Christmas, then you guys gave him a pair of handcuffs as a gift afterwards.
Sure did. Peter Johnson, he was wanted for child abuse. He aired as wanted on last Thursday when the wheel aired, and by 11 o'clock a.m. we got a tip into the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office that he was staying in a hotel off Youngerman Circle in the Argyle area. Police went there. Sure enough, there he was. Suspect was arrested. So thanks to the tipster that watched the wheel who helped get Peter Johnson off the streets of Jacksonville.
All right, perhaps you've seen our featured suspect who has a long list of charges against him.
He has a laundry list of charges. Christopher Gladstone Gray, burglary, armed burglary, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, cruelty to animals, aggravated assault, possession of cocaine, and false imprisonment. Wanted with no bond. 24 years old, already been arrested 8 times. This will make his 9th arrest once we get him behind bars. 5 feet 9 inches tall, 208 pounds, known to be in the 32244 zip code. So anyone who knows the whereabouts of Christopher Gray, please call JSO.
Let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see where it lands. If you see our featured suspect or any of the suspects on the wheel, don't contact them yourselves. They could be armed. They could be dangerous. Call Jacksonville Sheriff's Office or Crime Stoppers. We'll give you that number coming up in just a little bit. And it looks as if I'm going to push this just a little bit to Mr. Young is where it's going to land right now.
Deondis LaWay Young. He's wanted for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, shooting into an occupied dwelling, as well as possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. 5 feet 8 inches tall, 190 pounds, 36 years old. Last known address 5110 12th Street in the 32254 zip code. His brother was arrested for murder. He tried to shoot the murder victim's sister. He is considered armed and dangerous. He's been on the wheel for many months now. He's someone who's going to stay on the wheel until he's arrested. So anyone who knows the whereabouts of Deondis Young, call Crime Stoppers or the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office.
All right, and that Crime Stoppers number is 866-845-TIPS. Thanks, Melissa, and Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Erica.
All right, Bruce.